Have you ever wondered how your headphones play music without any wires? Or how your controller connects to your game console? That's all thanks to something called Bluetooth. Bluetooth is like invisible magic radio waves that let devices talk to each other over short distances, usually less than 30 feet. Your phone, speaker, watch, or keyboard all have tiny Bluetooth chips that can send and receive these signals. It's kind of like two friends whispering secrets that no one else can hear. When you pair two devices, they make a secret handshake, a special code that says, "Hey, I trust you." After that, they remember each other and connect super fast next time. And Bluetooth doesn't use much power. That's why your earbuds can play for hours without dying. When you play a song, your phone sends tiny packets of data, like little puzzle pieces, through the air. The speaker catches them, puts them back together, and boom, music. And it all happens thousands of times every second. Fun fact, the name Bluetooth comes from a Viking king who loved bringing people together, just like Bluetooth connects devices today. So next time your wireless headphones work like magic, remember, it's not magic, it's Bluetooth.